I'm rolling the tomato back and forth to help the seeds inside separate easily. I'll cut the tomato into 2 halves. Drilling drainage holes for the seedling cup. Fill the cup with sand. I'll squeeze the tomato seeds onto the sand, then cover them with a light layer of sand. And of course, I must provide moisture for the seeds. Look, the tomato seeds have sprouted already. I'll separate the young seedlings and move them to new nursery cups. To grow these tomatoes, I'm preparing a soil mix with the ratio 60% clean soil. %30 organic fertilizer, 10% rice husks, and a little bit of trichoderma fungi. The soil is now so fluffy, and ready. I'm repurposing old sacks for planting. It's both convenient and very effective. Using small steel wires to secure the mouth of the sack. These wires are more durable and can withstand the sun and rain. Remember to place the sacks on top of bricks like this. It keeps everything clean and prevents waterlogging very effectively. Next, I'll cut 3 round holes on the surface of the sack to prepare for planting. These two symmetrical holes are for planting the tomatoes. Can anyone guess what the middle hole is for? Let me reveal the secret. This is where I place the automatic watering system. By recycling clear plastic bottles and cotton swabs, I've designed a self-dripping system right at the base of the plant. This hole helps with ventilation and creates pressure to push the water down steadily. Look at them. My tomato plants are reaching high now, with lush green leaves and strong, sturdy stems. I'll place the automatic watering bottles into the waiting holes in the middle. Now, I'm preparing to build a trellis for the plants. It might sound a bit unusual compared to normal ways, doesn't it? After just a short time, my tomato plants have grown so fast. They have many branches and have grown far beyond the trellis. Now, I'll use a knife to make a long cut, about 8 to 10 centimeters along the stem. Then, I'll gently fold it so the stem lies neatly on the trellis, just like this. Sliced bananas. Vitamin B1. Put everything into the blender. Add some clean water. Now, remove the pulp using a strainer. We've obtained a solution that stimulates root growth, keeps the leaves green, and prepares the plant's strength for the upcoming flowering season. When watering with this mix, you should dilute it with clean water, usually at a ratio of 1:10 or 1:20, so the plant can absorb it best without any fertilizer shock. My tomato trellis is now in full bloom. I'm using onion skins soaked in boiling water, letting it steep for 6 hours. This is the enemy of aphids and fungi. It protects our tomato plants and keeps them healthy without any chemical pesticides. Remember to prune the base to keep it airy like this. It helps prevent diseases and focuses the plant's energy on nourishing the fruits. The reward after so many days of care is finally here. The tomatoes are growing in clusters, hidden behind the leaves on the trellis. Wait for me in a few days, and we'll harvest these tomatoes together. Can you see? My tomatoes grown in sacks have finally reached the time to pick the sweet fruit. a whole basket full. Since they are homegrown, every single fruit is fresh and clean. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me.